fully automated diagnostic validation with CANoe.DiVa. This movie will show you how you can perform a fully automated diagnostic validation using CANoe.DiVa. To create a diagnostic test with CANoe.DiVa, you need a diagnostic specification in CDD or ODX format. The diagnostic specification is generally provided by the automotive OEM. It is also possible to create the data independently. Load the diagnostic specification in CANoe.DiVa and configure the desired test contents. Based on this configuration, CANoe.DiVa generates a CANoe test module fully automatically. Load the generated test module in the CANoe environment. CANoe.DiVa supplements the CANoe test functions by adding diagnostic-specific test components. In CANoe.DiVa uses a large number of supported bus systems and various options for hardware and software environment simulation. After executing the test run, CANoe.DiVa helps you to evaluate and further process the automatically generated test report. Creating a project. To create a new project, you first enter a project name in the New Project dialog. Select a project directory and the diagnostic file in CDD or ODX format. You generate a separate project for each ECU variant. To do this, select the ECU and the variant to be tested. Confirm your selection with Open. You can integrate a seed key DLL to automatically unlock the ECU during testing. To do this, choose the seed key DLL in the ECU information section. Test configuration. In the Test Configuration Services section, you see the services contained in the diagnostic specification. Here, you can exclude individual services from testing. To modify request parameters, you extend the view of the specific service. Click the desired parameter to edit it. Fully automated generation of the CANoe test module and import into CANoe. After completing the test configuration, the test is generated fully automatically by clicking Generate. CANoe.DiVa then generates a CANoe test module and a test specification. Switch over to CANoe and then import the test module into an existing CANoe configuration. Click the CANoe.DiVa icon to load it. Afterwards, a dialog opens for defining the test settings. For example, this is where you define the bus on which the test is to be performed. This may be a bus such as CAN, FlexRay, or LIN. In the View menu, choose Test to open the CANoe.DiVa test module. Automated execution of the test and analysis of the report. To automatically execute the test, follow these steps. First, start the CANoe measurement and then the test run. Afterwards, stop the measurement in CANoe. The test report that is created can be analyzed in the Report Analysis section of CANoe.DiVa. You can have the test results displayed sorted according to various criteria. For example, you switch to the Results view to analyze the detected errors. Choose a test to have the detailed results displayed, including the bus communication. In CANoe.DiVa, you can classify the error type and comment on the test result. Save the commented test case in a zip file, for example, to forward it directly to the responsible person. Here, you can decide which data should be sent with it. You have just seen how easy it is to execute fully automated diagnostic validation with CANoe.DiVa. By the way, in addition to standardized diagnostic protocols such as UDS, a whole series of manufacturers are supported with OEM-specific test procedures. Along with protocol tests, you can also execute active fault memory tests. Experience the first-rate handling and functionality of vector tools yourself. At vector.com/CANoe.DiVa, you will find demo downloads, other videos, and your contact for a personal product presentation.